In this demo, we will take a quick tour of the UNDET Point Cloud Plugin for Aries Commander. UNDET lets you import and handle point cloud data directly inside the Aries Commander from any 3D laser scanner or drone mapping system, regardless of project size or number of scan positions. Besides Point Cloud Import, you will find all the necessary tools to control point cloud visibility by enabling, disabling point cloud groups or individuals' files. And easy to change coloring mode to see RGB colors, coloring by height, intensity coloring, and additional settings to change point cloud point size. When there is no detailed section created and activated, and many points of the point cloud overlap with each other, the transparency mode can be set up to make the main point cloud outline stand out. Point cloud clipping tools allow you to see the finest details of the point cloud in full resolution. Using the clip by line or clip by rectangle tools, you will create individual view sections, which will store in the Scan Data Manager window. You can always return to the previously created view section from this list. And regardless of how the clipping box was created, you will always be able to change the clipping volume quickly and easily. Viewing a point cloud in a CAD model isn't always easy. And frequently, you need to look at another screen loaded with 360-degree panoramic images. In UNDET software, if you use structured point cloud data, point cloud visibility management will be as easy and fast as ever, using the unique functions of UNDET Browser, where we have combined 3D point cloud with scanning position 360-degree panoramic images. Special functions will allow you to shift the point cloud view section with just one click in the 360 degrees panoramic photo to find objects in the point cloud in no time. For more advanced features of UNDET, please watch the following videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.